Once you have added the correct number of classes to your plan, we can review the classes you've planned for in the weekly schedule view panel. You can actually scroll or extend this panel all the way up to be able to see your full schedule. Make sure that you have specific sections in here with a date, time, and CRN, and haven't added any general classes and not specific sections. You can also click Schedule Details to see more information and remind yourself of the course information that you chose, like section numbers or the instructor, if listed. Your courses in the Planning panel will say Pending, meaning that you haven't yet saved this plan. Once you're happy with your plan, click the Save Plan button. This will prompt you to name the plan. We recommend naming your plan something like Plan A or Plan 1, so that you know which plan is your first, second, third choice, and so on. Once you've done this, the status of your classes on the right-hand side will turn green and say Planned. If you wanted to remove a class from your plan or make edits, you can now select Delete from the drop-down menu, Save Plan again, and that will remove the class from your plan. If you remove something by mistake, no worries, you can always go back in and add it. Just make sure to save the plan over again to add the course formally to your plan. On the left-hand side, you can now see that your classes have turned to different colors, and you can confirm here that none of them overlap at any day and time. You'll want to make sure that this schedule works for you, meets your required number of classes, as well as checking the total planned hours. But always make sure to double check the recommended number of classes and credits on your DegreeWorks plan from your academic advisor. It's important to note that this planning feature does not check for things like prerequisite errors or schedule overlaps. It's strictly a planning tool. This is why it's extra important to meet with your advisor to make sure you have the right list of classes to plan for and check the prerequisites and requirements for all classes in your plan before you go to register. In the next video, we will review how to use your plans to attempt to register for classes in Banner.